Hello friends. Welcome to another video that offers by Creative Minds LK. Right guys, today let's discuss how to remove anything from a photo using Adobe Photoshop. First, let's zoom in on the picture a little bit to get a good look. Now, you can see these letters. I am going to remove them. For that, I will use Clone Stamp tool. It can take from the tool palette, and also you can get it easily pressing S. After took this tool, you can edit the size and hardness of brush using this window. I will get a hard brush now because I am going to do this task roughly and quickly. Also I change the size of the brush. Okay, I adjusted the brush as my need. So, let's do this now. Actually, what is happening here is copy and paste. That means, we took a copy from a place of the photo and pasted on another place. Okay, let's look how to do this. Firstly, press and hold Alt. Now you can see that the icon is changed. Hold Alt and click on a place of the picture. Then you can get a copy of that place. Now release Alt and click on the place that you need to paste that. Remember, between pressing Alt and clicking, make your own pattern. That means, press Alt after 5 clicks or 10 clicks. This is only an example. You can do this as you like. Also, if you can press Alt often, it is cause to get a best output of your task. Also, it is important size and hardness of the brush. Okay, I told these for your extra knowledge. Let's come back to our work. I couldn't tell. You can adjust brush size using brackets keys too. I hope you understand what I said. Now I do this work speedy. Okay friends, we did it. Now you can see that the text has been gone from the picture. I did this work roughly and a little bit fast as I told earlier. Therefore, my output has like this. When you do this, take time and do smoothly. Then you can get a best result too. However, you can remove anything from photos using this method. Okay guys, everything is finished. I think, this was an interesting video for you. So guys, what are you thinking about this video? Please tell me your valuable ideas from comment section. Your comments are most valuable at me. Okay friends, let's meet from a new video, on a new day. Goodbye my guys, see you back again.